Hello friends, how are you doing? Greetings from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. This is Dar es Salaam City Center, popularly known as Posta Mpya, and man, it's been a long time I have visited this place, and there are a lot of changes here. The Mwendokasi, that is Tanzania BRT, Bus Rapid Transit, is extending to Dar es Salaam City Center, and this is what the city center looks like. So in today's video I'm going to give you the update of construction of Mwendokasi into city center. So as you can see, this is Azikiwe Street, and this street used to be very busy, but I think public buses, that is the DAR, have been restricted to pass through this street, Azikiwe Street, to pave the way for Mwendokasi construction. That's why you can see it's a bit quiet here. So welcome to today's video, friends. We are going to explore Dar es Salaam City Center. Like the video and share it to your loved ones. So as you can see, friends, this is Mwendokasi station here in Dar es Salaam City Center, Azikiwe Street. The construction is still going on of this Mwendokasi station, and yeah, you can see high-rise buildings in the Dar es Salaam City Center, that is Holiday Inn Hotel. Yeah, so this is the current situation here in Azikiwe Street, Posta, Dar es Salaam. This place used to be very busy, chaotic, with a lot of daladalers accessing city center, but now it's very quiet. It's very quiet. I see the daladalers are restricted to come here just to pave the way for Mwendokasi. And as you can see, I think after completion of this, when the Mwendokasi will start operation, I think daladalers will be restricted to access this area. So the only public transport that will be allowed to access this part of the city will be bus rapid transit or Mwendokasi. Holiday Inn Hotel, Posta, Dar es Salaam, Azikiwe Street. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the current situation here in the Dar es Salaam City Center, Azikiwe Street. It's construction everywhere. Bus rapid transit, Mwendokasi lanes are being constructed here in the city center, and this is what the streets look like here. So let's continue exploring this part of the city. Oh, Dar es Salaam. Yeah, so when construction will be complete here and things will be superb, people will be just using very few minutes from outskirts of the city such as Kimara, Bunju, to access the city center, you know. So by using daladala, because of traffic in Dar es Salaam, most of Dar es Salaam residents use a lot of time on the road because of traffic jams. But with the construction of Mwendokasi to city center, that tells that transport will be easing in Dar es Salaam, so it will be very easy. 30 to 20 to 25 minutes from Kimara or from Bunju from Tegeta, you'll be able to get to Posta, be able to get to the city center. Yeah, so I think this will be Azikiwe Mwendokasi station. Yeah, so this will be Azikiwe Mwendokasi station. This is Azikiwe Posta Mpya, that is CRDB Bank Azikiwe. Yeah, so we are in Azikiwe, and this is Mwendokasi station. This is the Dar es Salaam city center, how it looks like. BRT is extended to the city center, and this is the current situation here. This street used to be packed, but it's kind of deserted. I think it's to pave way for construction of this project here at the city center. Yep.
Tanzania yetu ndio nchi ya furaha.
So that is the Askari Monument, and you can see the high rise of Posta Dar es Salaam. Yeah, so Benki ya Taifa ya Biashara, that is Casino Dar es Salaam. So we are heading to the ocean now, Indian Ocean. So I can give you a little view of Indian Ocean. You know, Dar es Salaam is located the shores of Indian Ocean. 4 points. And that is Tanzania Front Lutheran Church, or KKKT. Tanzania Front. Yeah, and again you can have a view of the wall as it was too. You can see the Mondokasi here, BRT lanes are ready. Yeah, let's have a little walk here. 4 Points and casino. Yeah, that is a Lutheran church, Tanzania front, and you see a garden here at the city center. Garden. You can see those two towers, the Bandari towers. Dar es Salaam port is somewhere there, and those are twin towers in Dar es Salaam. The twin towers, and this is the garden. If you are tired to explore the city, you know Dar es Salaam is very hot. So you can just come here, have a rest, drink some water, and just breathe and re-energize. This is the garden here, Dar es Salaam City Center. It's a long time I've not visited this part of the city. Yeah. And that is Mondokasi station here in Posta. Mondokasi station. Yeah, that is NBC Bank. Posta, Tanzania front, this side, and yeah, this is Mondokasi. So this side you're going to Kivukoni or ferry if you want to go to Igamboni. This is where you are heading, and you go straight. The State House is somewhere there. State House, Dar es Salaam State House. Because we have two state houses, the big one in Dodoma and this small one in Dar es Salaam. Yeah, you can see Mondokasi bus.
Sasa alipoanza ameanzaje? Ana 200 gari ya 50. Kaambia aso kweli mpaka injinia wewe.